children, welcome back to our online IT class. Now we come to the last chapter. Do you know the chapter name? Chapter name is More on Paint. In this lesson, we are going to learn about some tools in Paint window. Are you ready? First one, pencil tool. Children, this is pencil tool. Look, it is used to draw beautiful pictures. Using pencil tool, we can draw flowers, animals, birds, vegetables, fruits, etc. It is same as pencil in your box. Children, the next is eraser. Do you have eraser in your box? Check. What is the use of eraser? Yes, eraser is used to erase mistakes. Like that, we can see an eraser tool in Paint window. Children, look, this is eraser tool. It helps us to correct the mistakes in our drawings. The next tool is fill with color tool. Look, this is fill with color tool. It looks like a paint bucket. It helps you to fill your drawing with colors. You can use the pencil tool to draw irregular lines using the mouse. This is similar to how you draw lines with a pencil on the paper. Let's draw a nose, smile and hands for the human figure using pencil tool. On the Home tab, from the Tools group, click on the pencil icon. Then the mouse pointer changes to a pencil. Now click and drag the pointer on the head of the figure to draw a bend line for the nose. Like this. Below the nose, draw a curved line for the smile. Similarly, draw a neck below the head. Likewise, draw the hands at the end of each arm. In MS Paint, we use the eraser tool to remove any unwanted objects from the drawing area. On the Home tab, from the Tools group, click on the eraser icon. Then the mouse pointer changes to an eraser. Now I am going to erase these unwanted lines. Look carefully. For that, click and drag the pointer on the drawing area to erase the required object. Let's learn how to add colors to the shapes. On the Home tab, from the Colors group, select the color of your choice. I am going to select yellow. Then on the Home tab, from the Tools group, click on the Fill with Color icon. Observe the mouse pointer, it has changed to a bucket. Look. This is Fill with Color tool. Now place the mouse pointer inside the shape and click. The shape gets filled with yellow color. Similarly, you can fill color in any other shapes. Okay? Children, all of you take page number 61. Now we are going to do the second activity. The activity is find out tools name. First one, rectangle, that is already here. The second one, pencil. Children, look, where is pencil? Yes, here we can see pencil. Draw one circle around this, like this. Okay. The next is line. Where is the line tool? Here we can see line tool. Draw one circle here also. Okay. The next is oval. And the fifth one is eraser. Remaining two tools, you have to find out and draw circles and send me. Okay. Children, the next activity is in page number 62. The activity is stick the pictures in suitable places. Before doing this, you have to take these pictures from the last page. Okay? The first one, keyboard. Look these pictures and say, which is keyboard? This is keyboard. Take that sticker and paste here. The next is monitor. Which is monitor? This is monitor. Take that sticker and paste here. The last one, mouse. This is mouse. Take that and paste here. Okay. Children, the next activity is connect the tools with related Angry Birds. Look these Angry Birds. First one, eraser tool. Here, where is eraser tool? This is eraser tool. You have to write one in this circle. Okay. The next is pencil tool. Where is pencil tool here? This is pencil tool. You have to write number 2 in this circle. The next is oval tool. Where is oval tool? This is oval tool. So you have to write number 3 in this circle. Number 4, rectangle tool. Where is rectangle tool? This is rectangle tool. You have to write number 4 in this circle. The last one is fill with color tool. Where is fill with color tool? This is fill with color tool. So you have to write here number 5. Okay. Children, that's all for today's class. What we learned today? Today we learned about some important tools in Paintmaker. What are they? They are pencil tool, eraser tool and fill with the color tool. Don't forget. Okay? See you in the next class. Take care. God bless you. Bye.